Great. So what I'm going to show you now is automatically AI coding multiple files with causal map. So here I'm uploading a bunch of text files. It could be Word files or PDFs, whatever you like, as many as you want in principle. I'm selecting them with my file system browser, file browser, and then the app will swallow up all of those files, extract the text, and I'm going to give it a nice name so that I can, for this new project that I'm creating, and remember to correct my own spelling. And I'm fine with everything else. I say I want to code immediately with AI. And what happens now is that the app applies one-click coding, which is a big set of default settings, which makes a lot of decisions for you all at once about how to do the coding. And it gives you a summary of the options it's selected. And perhaps I don't understand all of that. I don't care. There's a lot of things to think about if you want to, but if you don't want to, you just click run and the app starts coding. The more interviews you have or reports you have and the longer they are, then the longer it will take. You see here it's broken them up into multiple chunks because the interviews are quite long, and you can basically go and have a coffee. It can take a little while. In this case, several minutes later, you see the app has arrived, the map has arrived. I'm looking now at the factors. That all seems to make sense. I'm looking at the links. That all seems to make sense. I'll go back to the map. You see there's some golden loops because the app has highlighted for us feedback loops. And if you want, you can click on the factors or the links. And if you click on the links, you can see the different individual claims which make up that link. And if you want, you can look at the actual source text. In this case, we haven't selected one yet, so we need to select one. And that takes just a little minute to load because it's now loading only the links associated with that particular source, of which will still be quite a few. So here's the source text has arrived, the map has changed a little, and you can see here some of the sections that where the AI has identified a causal claim and coded it as a causal link. And one more thing that the one-click filter has done is it's applied some filters to the map, in this case just to only show the top most interesting or the most commonly mentioned factors and links. If you didn't do that, you'd see that you get too many links and too many factors and you can't really make sense of the map on its own, although you might want that for other purposes.